So, quick story time tayo today on how I got my first client as a freelance architect. And when I mean first client, I mean first design and build project. The year was 2021. Pandemic time pa, pero slowly bumabalik na yung mga ibang industry like construction and all that. And at that time, I was doing some side hustle or side business na food business. And I wasn't really thinking of going back to construction at that time. Kasi nga, I wasn't really sure kung talagang magiging normal pa lahat. But, you know, when they say God works in mysterious ways, so suddenly may nag-inquire about sa services ko. The project was a 2-story with roof deck. Papa Airbnb ni client kasi meron siyang mini resort na ginagawa. Actually, nirecommend ako ng family friend namin. So, I wasn't really thinking much about it. Then, we proceeded with the design phase. So, nag-schematics na kami, meetings regarding sa mga pegs na gusto nila, ano yung inspo nila. Basically, they wanted like a Santorini-inspired Airbnb. And during that time, it was quite difficult pa rin naman kasi it's still pandemic. So financially, it was really tough. I was still doing the side business while doing the design for that client. And in the back of my mind, inisip ko na if this doesn't work out after this, I might completely give up being an architect. But even so, I still gave my 200% in that project. I still did my best. Every client request, I did diligently. Then suddenly, sabi ni client one day, oh sige, pagawa na rin namin. And at that time, I was in shock na, oh my God, kaya ko ba to? So there's still like a little bit doubts in my head kung kaya ko ba. Although my experiences naman, I am also exposed to construction and all that. Pero there's still something na medyo doubtful. But I reminded myself na, you know, kaya ko to, and at the same time, I'll trust the experience that I have, at the same time, the knowledge that I have gained through the years. And then, ayun, tinuloy na yung pagpapakonstruct nung Airbnb. That project was very memorable, not because it was the first design and build project that I had, but I learned a lot from that. First is, trust your knowledge and trust your experiences. Second is, do not try to lowball your price or your services as much as you can. Third is better client communication, sending daily reports. At that time, si client nasa abroad. And I really do believe that if you keep your faith strong at the same time, trust that everything works out for you, everything will just fall into place. And meron at merong client na nakadestined para sa'yo.